Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my addzest APA4300HX, which is a really clean amplifier with a very minimum total harmonic distortion. It gives around 75 watts RMS into 4 ohms in each 4 of the channels. So yeah, the monogram is missing at this. So it has power guard circuit, which is really good for me. Here you can select the impedance and turn on or off power guard circuit, and turn on or off the digital meters, which are right here. So yeah, one more component complete for my sound system. And like this video, comment, and please subscribe, and hopefully I will be showing you my complete build for my vehicle, which is a Toyota Corolla 2015. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys.